Hey there, Assalamu alaikum everybody. Welcome back for another amazing video. Hope you guys are doing good. Today we're going to be talking about one of the key factors to networking. This tool has helped me network with people that are like so out of the league for me. We're talking about senior executives, we're talking about direct reportings to governments, alhamdulillah, some really good names. So without any further ado, let's get this video started. I'm going to tell you guys a little story. I used to have a professor, first year university. If you went to Brock, Herb McKenzie, if you know him, you know him. Everybody knows Herb McKenzie. He had a friend who would be able to get access to the biggest executives. And at that time, they didn't have LinkedIn, so they used to do it on the phone, right? So you used to be able to call people on the phone or, just the front lines of the phone, your customer service rep, and somehow work his way up to the CEO's office. And this is the art of networking. And this can get you any job you want, help you, master your skill sets of working with people, negotiating with people, sales with people, and also help you achieve peaks of your business and career. So one aspect of this is called everybody likes to hear good things about themselves. Everybody. Now I'm going to explain this a little bit more. Let's just say you are very interested in getting to know a little bit more about a person XYZ. This person is an executive in a business, and you want to get to know him because you want to learn more about how he became that executive, and two, you want to score a job in that damn company. Now, you can reach out to them in any way format you want, and like LinkedIn, you can try to reach out to them email, you can try to reach out to them social media, you can try to reach out to them through phone, but you won't be able to get their interest if you're not able to properly communicate. And a part of communication is knowing what the other person wants to listen or hear. And a part of that is they want to hear good things about themselves. Now, the reason why I'm teaching you guys is because sometimes, or majority of the time actually, networking is what makes you successful. So I'll kind of structure this out for you. You want to reach out to this person. First thing you're going to do is you're going to learn everything about what they've done. Whatever they've accomplished, whatever they have not accomplished, you find out through LinkedIn. You go through their social media. I mean, you gotta stalk the person. Look, you gotta truly be a fan of the person. You gotta know everything about that person. And I'll tell you guys an ending story to this on how I landed a very good job because of me doing somewhat of this. Not even doing the whole thing, but somewhat of this. So you gotta wait till the ending. The ending is gonna be good. You guys are gonna like that story.
No. Wait.
So you research everything about this person, their business, what they've done, what they've accomplished, and then in that message, the introductory message, you write about something that you learned about them, some part of what you learned about them that no one else could understand and was so detailed. For example, in 2016, they were on a mission, or they were on another country where they were able to achieve, let's just say their business is about solar panels. They were able to achieve the highest level of solar power generation, and through the solar power from their business, from his direct lead, and this is the result that happened. You learn a little bit more about that, and you put that in the message. Hey, hope you're doing good. I was doing research about your organization and a little bit about your great accomplishments. I noticed that in 2016 you did blah 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 blah, and you were able to hit this really high KPI. I'm really intrigued by this. I hope that you can give me a few minutes of your day. I just want to talk to you a little bit more about this industry, how you did what you did. So because I have a deep interest in this industry and in what you've accomplished. The other person, on the other hand, what you've done is you really established one thing. You know what you're talking about. You're really interested. You're truly interested because you mentioned something that no one else has mentioned, because no one's going to read that detailed into you. 3, you put a question across, which has a direct call to action right below. I hope you can give me a few minutes and we can jump on a call. So that way, that person's like, okay, this question is very intriguing because it's linked directly to one of my greatest achievements, and this person acknowledges my achievement and he respects me for my achievement. So I think I should give him an answer. And that person will respond, "Hey, thank you. I thank you for noticing. Um, sure, I have some time this weekend. 15 minutes. Here's my calendar link. You book 15 minutes with him. That is your first 15 minutes to impress him. And how do you impress? I've made an entire series of this. You guys can watch it here with my friend Asad Jalib, who is also currently an executive in another startup. So, um, so you reached out to him, you sent him that message. The person has acknowledged you. Maybe he won't. But this is why you have to make sure you do this with a few people, right? I always say this: maybe you send out messages to 100 people, 10 of them will respond. You jump on 10 calls, about 5 of them will do a follow up. A follow up call with you. Maybe 2 will convert into something that's fruitful for you. But the goal is you don't give up. You keep networking. There's a million successful individuals out there. You just gotta make sure that you know what you're doing when you're interacting with them. Now you jump on a call with them, and this is where you are humble, respectful, and you compliment them, not by their looks, not by things that are not of any value, but of something of intellect. Because intellect compliments are something of shows the individual that they have accomplished something, they achieved something, that they are of some stature. So you get it, the whole concept. People like to hear good about themselves, but you're not ingenuine about this. I'm not saying you're faking this. There's not one time that I jumped on a call with somebody and I was faking it, because if I'm not interested, I'm not jumping on a call. I don't want to jump on a call. If I truly want to meet people and learn from them, that's the reality of life. So then I go and when I'm complimenting them, it's genuine because they have achieved something. So you have to honestly be honest with yourself and honest with the guy across of you. So this whole thing is not like a act. This is true. You are truly a fan of that person and you truly are trying to learn from them. So and then that's why you are complimenting them. You wouldn't want to learn from somebody, or you wouldn't want to interact with somebody from as a mentee if you didn't look up to them. If you didn't genuinely compliment them, in your heart and your head. So Kat, you compliment their work and what they've done, and you learn and you hear, and then you keep that interaction going. As soon as that call finishes, or that meeting finishes, that coffee finishes, you do a follow-up online. You follow the up with that meeting, and then you do another question about that discussion, and then and about something else that you found out about that. You continue that loop and you make a great network. If you can master this, you'll be able to master a few more. If you guys like these type of videos about networking and how you can meet anybody from any stature of life and learn from them, let me know. I'll make a series on networking. I think that is something, if you guys are interested, let me know in the comments and through the like button, and I'll try to make that happen. I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys got the information across, and you guys are gonna go out there and let other people know how good they are. Take care. Assalamu alaikum. Subscribe, like, share, hit that bell icon for notifications. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram for more content. I'll be uploading more stuff in all of these social media websites. Thanks. Take care. Salam.